All right, here's Lord, I Need You. Brandon's going to lead this. We're going to do it nice and low. That way he can do the transition. So he's starting. I come, I confess, bowing here, I find my rest, and without you, I fall apart. You're the one that guides my heart. There's a pause, and I would go right into parts. Lord, I need you. Oh, I need you. Every hour I need you. My one defense, my righteousness. Oh God, how I need you. Second verse, everybody sings. Where sin runs deep, parts, your grace is more. Where grace is found is where you are. Then take it up, Brandon. And where you are, Lord, I am free. Holiness is Christ in me. And where you are, Lord, I am free. Holiness is Christ in me. Lord, I need you. Oh, I need you. Every hour I need you. My one defense, my righteousness. Oh God, how I need you. So Brandon, so teach my song to rise to you. When temptation comes my way, and when I cannot stand, I'll fall on you. This is in your lower octave. Jesus, you're my hope and stay. Do it again, everyone. So teach my song to rise to you. Say in your lower. When temptation comes my way, and when I cannot stand, I'll fall on you. Go up, Brandon. Jesus, you're my hope and stay. Jesus, Jesus, you're my hope and stay. That's all parts? Parts here. Lord, I need you. Oh, I need you. Every hour I need you. My one defense, my righteousness. Oh God, how I need you. And then Brandon. My one defense, my righteousness. Oh God, how I need. So that part that I was singing was Donna's. So then, Keisha, you're underneath, and then Sydney, you're doing melody with Brandon.